So today we're going to show you how to turn any fat into a powder, whether it be olive oil, peanut butter, even bacon fat. N-Zorbit is a type of tapioca maltodextrin, but not all tapioca maltodextrin can do what we're going to show you today. So why would you turn anything into a powder? Well, first off, it looks cool. It adds texture to the dish. And when it dissolves in your mouth, it delivers the flavor of whatever you made it out of. And be very mindful. Contact with any water-based liquid will cause it to dissolve. So let's get started.